Have you ever taken a perfect EMA crossover signal, only to watch the trade immediately reverse and hit your stop loss? The problem isn't the EMAs. The problem is you're trading without conviction. You're seeing the price move, but you have no idea if there's any real power or money behind that move. What if you could fix that? In this video, I'm revealing a complete trading system that combines our powerful 7 EMA ribbon strategy for structure with a custom confirmation dashboard that analyzes volume and momentum in real time. This is the system that filters out the weak signals and helps you pinpoint the explosive moves. I'll show you the exact setup, the step-by-step rules, and how to use it all on a free TradingView account. Let's build it. Alright, our dashboard has 2 parts. First, the EMA structure, and second, our confirmation engine. Let's get them on the chart. Step 1, the 7 EMA ribbons. Quick setup. We need 2 moving average ribbon indicators. For the first ribbon, our momentum ribbon, use these Fibonacci settings, 5, 8, 13, and 21. Make them orange and red. For the second ribbon, our trend ribbon, use 3 EMAs all set to length 144. Then, and this is key, set their sources to high, close, and low to create a channel. Make these green. If you need a more detailed walkthrough, I covered the full setup in my previous video. For now, this is our structure. Step 2, the confirmation engine now for our secret weapon. Click Indicators and search for Relative Strength of Volume Indicators by the creator DGTRD. Click to add it. This powerful tool is basically a complete volume and momentum dashboard in one. Let's tweak the settings for our strategy. Go to the indicator settings. In the Inputs tab, under Volume Histogram, change it to Buying and Selling Volume number 1. This is incredible. It splits the volume bar to show us who is in control, buyers or sellers. For Histogram Companion, set it to Moving Average. This orange line will show us the average volume, making it easy to spot significant volume spikes. In the Style tab, we need to adjust the RSI levels. Find Overbought and set it to 70. Find Oversold and set it to 30. That's it. Our dashboard is complete. The EMAs on top tell us where to look for a trade, and this indicator at the bottom tells us if we should take it. Now let's put it all together. To enter a high probability buy trade, we need to see a perfect story unfold on our chart. Every single one of these rules must be met. EMA structure rule, the crossover. Price must cross and close above the green trend ribbon. Momentum confirmation. The orange momentum ribbon must cross up to be inside or above the green ribbon. The low risk pullback. We wait for the price to pull back and touch the green ribbon. The price action trigger. We mark the swing high of that pullback and wait for a candle to close above it. In our old strategy, this was the entry, but now we check our confirmation dashboard for the final go-ahead. Confirmation rules. 5. Volume spike. On that breakout candle, from rule number 4, look at the volume histogram. We need to see a significant volume spike with the bar clearly taller than the orange moving average. 6. Buyer domination. On that same bar, the green buying portion must be significantly larger than the red selling portion. This proves buyers are in aggressive control. 7. Momentum agreement. Finally, look at the top half of the dashboard. The purple RSI and the blue volume RSI should both be pointing upward, ideally above the 50 level, showing that both price momentum and volume momentum are on our side. When all 7 of these conditions are met, that is our A+ buy signal. Enter at the open of the next candle. Place your stop loss below the green ribbon and aim for a risk to reward of at least 1 to 2. The rules for a sell signal are the exact opposite, providing a mirror image of our buy set. EMA crossover, price closes below the green ribbon. EMA momentum, orange ribbon crosses below the green ribbon. The pullback, price pulls back up to the green ribbon. Price action, trick, a candle closes below the pullback, swing low, volume spike. The breakout candle has volume above the orange average line. Seller domination, the red selling portion of the volume bar is much larger than the green. Momentum agreement, both RSI and volume RSI are pointing down, ideally below 50. When you get that perfect alignment, you have a high conviction short entry. So there you have it, a complete system that combines the clear structure of EMA ribbons with the undeniable proof of volume and momentum. Use the EMAs to find the setup and the dashboard to confirm your entry. And my question for you is, what's the biggest challenge you face with volume analysis? Is it knowing when a spike is significant? Let me know in the comments. If this strategy guide was helpful, do me a huge favor and smash that like button and subscribe for more systems like this. Thanks for watching, good luck with your trading, and I'll see you in the next video. This is not financial advice. All trading involves risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results.